The IVF process can be broken down into 3 different stages. The first stage is egg retrieval, the second part is sperm collection, and then the third part is putting the embryo into the human body. Let's start with egg retrieval. In order to get as many eggs as possible, a woman will have to take hormone shots for about 8 to 14 days. These shots help your ovaries grow many eggs at once instead of just one like in a normal month. The doctor watches closely with ultrasounds and blood tests to check on how the eggs are growing. The woman will have to go into the clinic for monitoring frequently during this time. When the eggs are ready, the woman takes a special shot called the trigger shot. This helps the eggs finish maturing and gets the body ready to release them. Timing is really important for this shot. About 34 to 37 hours after the trigger shot, your doctor will perform an egg retrieval. A small needle goes into the ovaries to gently remove the eggs. This is done under anesthesia, and the whole procedure takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Now let's talk about the sperm part of IVF. The person who is providing sperm gives a sample. This can be done on the same day the eggs are taken out, or it can be done on a different day. If frozen sperm or a donor is being used, the lab thaws and prepares it. If a woman has frozen her eggs before, then the sperm can be collected at a later date. After the sperm is collected, it is sent to the lab. In the lab, scientists examine the sperm and decide the sample to use to fertilize the eggs. The third stage of IVF is combining the sperm and egg to create embryos. The sperm and eggs are combined in a lab dish. If things go well, fertilization happens and tiny embryos begin to grow. The embryos grow in a special warm lab dish for 3 to 5 days. Doctors watch them carefully to see which ones are growing the best. In some cases, the embryo may be transferred into the body right away, but in other cases, the embryo may be frozen. In a frozen embryo transfer, genetic testing can be done on the different embryos. While the embryos are growing, the person who will carry the pregnancy might take medicine to help their uterus get ready. The purpose of these medications is to help to build up the uterine lining so the embryo can stick. The doctor places 1 or more healthy embryos into the uterus. It's a quick process and it usually does not hurt. After the embryo is transferred, there's a waiting period of about 10 to 14 days. During this time, you hope the embryo sticks and starts growing into a pregnancy. A blood test is done about 1 to 2 weeks after the embryo transfer to check for pregnancy. Remember to talk to your doctor about personal questions regarding IVF.